National or Thrifty? Two rental giants, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, National, known for premium service and favored by business travelers. And on the right, Thrifty, the go-to for budget-savvy renters. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Before we dive in, let's set the stage. Here's our mind map. We're going to compare price, fleet and vehicle choice, locations and coverage, awards and recognition, rewards and loyalty, and convenience and speed. Literally all the stuff that actually matters when you're booking a car. Okay, first up, price. All right, National is kind of like your fancy friend who always orders the steak. Premium vehicles, super transparent for businesses, but honestly, their prices, yeah, they're the highest on average. If you're just traveling for leisure or trying to save those dollars, it can feel, kind of stinging. Now, Thrifty. This brand is all about value. Seriously, lowest average prices in the whole industry, and they're dropping promos everywhere. Partner deals, you name it. But don't get too starry-eyed. Sometimes those extra fees at certain locations sneak in and bump up the final bill. Still, between these two, Thrifty bags it for price without a doubt. Next, fleet and vehicle choice. So with National, it's a bit of a car person's paradise. Tons of options from that super basic compact up to full-blown luxury. And their Emerald Isle feature literally lets you pick your own car straight from the row. I mean, who wouldn't want that freedom? But yeah, more luxury options means, you guessed it, higher base costs. Now, Thrifty isn't slacking either. Really solid variety, and they cater to every budget. But more on the value side. Fewer fancier luxury cars, though, so if you want to roll up looking extra, National has the edge here. All right, let's talk locations and coverage. National rolls strong with over 300 spots across the U.S., especially if you're flying. They're huge at airports. Just note, they've got slightly fewer locations than Thrifty overall. But Thrifty? Almost the same. 290-plus U.S. locations and a super nice mix of cities and airports. Both cover you pretty well, though Thrifty comes through with a few more options in denser areas, but can be patchy in rural places. Honestly, it's neck and neck here. Wait, quick fun fact for you. Did you know National and Thrifty have both been in the rental game for well over 60 years? Yeah, kind of wild how these brands have seen it all. Next up, awards and recognition. So National has been killing it, especially lately. We're talking J.D. Power top ranking for 2024 and 2025, and customers gush about their service. Pretty impressive. Thrifty, meanwhile, does have good programs for biz travelers, but in terms of big awards, nope. Nothing major in the U.S. during 2024 or 2025. Really, National's just, yeah, they're the star in this category. Now on to rewards and loyalty. National's Emerald Club is honestly one of my favorites. You skip the whole counter thing, pick any car in the row, and even get a free extra driver. Perfect for frequent travelers or your boss who's always rushing. Their corporate perks? Also just chef's kiss. Only catch, the points only stack up if you rent a lot. Thrifty's blue chip rewards aren't bad either. Super easy to use points for weekend getaways, and they're tight with a bunch of airlines and hotels. Limited prepaid rates, so you might not always get the best deal up front. Overall, though, National keeps its crown here. Finally, convenience and speed. National wins repeat customers with its Emerald Isle. Just walk right past the desk and grab your car. Super business-friendly, super fast. Thrifty is right up there, too. Time saver check-in means you skip most of the paperwork. Plus, returns are a breeze. In real life, both companies get you on the road super quick. No clear winner, they're equally slick. So, looking at all the scores, you've got National flexing at the top for luxury, loyalty, and awards, while Thrifty is the straight-up price champion. It's a tight race in coverage and convenience. The overall radar clearly shows each brand's strengths. So honestly, if you're all about premium treatment, want those juicy loyalty perks, or you're booking for business, National is hands down the move. But if you're watching your budget, or just want solid value for a vacation or personal trip, Thrifty's going to leave you with a little extra for the fun stuff. Hey, if this comparison helped, save it for your next travel mission. And always peek at both companies' sites for the newest deals. You could score way bigger savings than